Welcome to the welding test lab. And he is our engineer, very professional welding engineer, Kai. And I'm Ray.
Hello, I'm Kai. 下面呢，我们来介绍一下这一非常好看的一款小的纯手工焊焊机。
The first machine that Kai wants to recommend to you is a very small machine, which is a MMA machine.
它的最大电流可以看到140安培，核定输出电流。
The rated output of this machine is 140 amps.
这款机器它可以焊接3.2毫米的碳钢、不锈钢等一些焊条。
This machine can weld with electrodes up to 3.2 millimeters.
它可以焊碱性焊条、酸性焊条。
It can weld with acid electrodes and basic electrodes.
它不仅仅是焊3.2，如果说在特殊场合的时候，也可以偶尔可以焊4.0的焊条。
And in some special applications, it can also weld with electrode up to 4 millimeters.
比如说你在焊逆向上焊的时候
Such as when you need to move the welding bead up.
或者是说你在焊氧焊的时候，这个电流也是可以焊接的。
All you need to, yes, please show. All you need to move in this way, like this.
在我的角度看来，这个机器的性能是非常出色的。
From Kai's perspective, he thinks that the performance of this machine is very good.
它有着不错的起弧的能力。
The arc start is very good.
在焊接当中，它的电弧非常稳定。
And during welding, the arc is very stable.
在焊接过程中产生的飞电量非常少。
And the spatter is very low.
还有更关键的是，它有一个非常漂亮的成型。
What's more, what's the most important is that the welding finished performance is very good.
那么下面呢，我们来进行一个漂亮焊缝的焊接。
So now we will welding a very beautiful welding bead for you for a reference.
对的，目前我使用不锈钢焊条。
This is a stainless steel electrode.
这个是3.2的直径。
And the diameter is 3.2 millimeters.
那么我需要调节一个电流，大约这个电流在90到100安培左右。
The output current needs to between 90 to 100 amps.
然后我认为这个焊缝是非常漂亮的，大家可以期待一下。
We can expect the beautiful welding bead.
名字好像就算了，他们要看 MMA 140对吧？他们现在叫焊140。
Okay, before the welding, the most important thing is that we need to wear the glasses, wear the helmet, and everything protective suit to protect ourselves. And if you need these safety protective suits, we also supply. Please leave your message and contact us. Okay, then we will start the welding. Remember that we couldn't watch the arc without glasses. I guess the arc is very stable just from the sound.
现在是已经焊完了。
Okay.
OK， 现在已经焊完了。那么呢，需要让它稍微的冷却一下下。
We need to wait a moment to make the wait that the metal pieces to cool down.
那首先用这个敲打锤，这边是敲打锤，这边是钢丝刷。
This is a hammer brush, and we have this as an accessory as well.
来，这个。
Yeah, to clean the welding bead with this hammer brush. If you want to buy this one together with the machine, you can just contact us.
哎呀，对，这个它就失败了，这个地方。那我再重新换一个。
那你不要重新来直播呢。
有一天看的比较失败了，
没关系。
然后给大家看展示一下。然后这一节是它的一个非常漂亮的踏缝。
The welding bead is very beautiful. You can see here.
然后它的这个渣非常好清理，然后分解量也非常少。
It is very easy to clean the welding bead, and the spatter is very low. We can see from the surfaces of these work pieces.
有点热，我先放下了。
Okay.
那么呢，就是这个机器焊下来，给我的感觉就是焊接的时候非常容易和上手。
It is very easy, especially for the entry-level users.
非常好上手，并且呢，成型呢也是相对来说比较美观的。
You can see the finish; it's very beautiful.
然后呢，整体来说，这个焊接性能，就作为焊工的角度来说是 OK 的。
From a welder's perspective, he thinks the performance of the machine is very good.